Welcome to the future, 2024, where earning money online is easier than ever. Here's how you can join the online earning movement. First, consider freelance work. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect skilled individuals with clients in need. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or coder, there's a job for you. Next, think about online tutoring. With the shift to digital learning, there's a high demand for online tutors. Teach a language, a school subject, or a musical instrument, the opportunities are endless. Third, try your hand at affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique link. Lastly, don't overlook content creation. With platforms like YouTube and TikTok, you can earn revenue through ad views and brand partnerships. Remember, the key to online earning is consistency and quality. So get started today and watch the digital pounds roll in. Until next time, keep hustling.